Tech Xlovers. Future of construction emerging technologies. StormDrain. StormDrain is a brand of StormDrain products manufactured by Amerimax. The company offers a wide range of products, including catch basins, inlets, and grates. StormDrain catch basins are designed to collect and divert stormwater from impervious surfaces such as streets, parking lots, and sidewalks. They are available in a variety of sizes and materials to meet the needs of different applications. StormDrain inlets are designed to connect storm drains to storm water systems. They are available in a variety of sizes and materials to meet the needs of different applications. StormDrain grates are designed to cover storm drains and catch basins. Liftsol. The system consists of long screws that are inserted into the ground and then capped with adjustable pads. The pads can be adjusted to level the surface and create a stable base for a terrace or other structure. The screws are typically made of galvanized steel and can be up to 65 centimeters long. The pads are made of plastic or rubber and can be adjusted to provide a level surface. The Liftsol foundation system is a relatively new product, but it has been gaining popularity in recent years. It is a good option for people who want to build a terrace on soft ground, as it is less disruptive than traditional methods of construction. Blox. Blox is a structural insulated block, SIB system that is made from hemp, bound up with polyurethane foam, sandwiched between an inner and outer skin. The board material varies depending on application, and there are 4 broad types, with many more bespoke solutions on offer to suit customer requirements. Blox is made in the UK and is said to be easier to install than traditional brick and block methods, as well as being more energy efficient and sustainable. The company claims that a team of 4 can construct an average-sized bungalow in 1 day using Blox. The blocks are also said to be fire-resistant, soundproof, and moisture-resistant. They are available in a variety of sizes and colors, so they can be customized to match any project. Blox is a relatively new product, but it has been gaining popularity in recent years. It is a good option for people who are looking for an energy-efficient, sustainable, and easy-to-install building system. Vegetation blankets. Vegetation blankets are pre-grown mats of sedums and other plants that are ready to install on a green roof or living wall. They are a good option for people who want to create a green roof or living wall, but do not have the time or expertise to grow the plants themselves. Vegetation blankets have several advantages over growing plants from seed or cuttings. They are quick and easy to install, low maintenance, durable, effective at reducing stormwater runoff, and beneficial for wildlife. If you are considering creating a green roof or living wall, vegetation blankets are a good option to consider. They are quick and easy to install, low maintenance, and effective at reducing stormwater runoff. Gripple Terra-Lock. The Gripple Terra-Lock system is a ground anchoring system that uses galvanized steel wire and gripple grips to secure objects to the ground. It is a versatile system that can be used to secure a variety of objects, including fences, signs, posts, and trees. The Terra-Lock system is easy to install and does not require any special tools. The wire is simply threaded through the grips and then tightened with a gripple tool. The grips grip the wire tightly, preventing it from slipping or coming loose. The Terra-Lock system is a strong and durable system that can withstand a variety of weather conditions. It is also a cost-effective system, making it a good choice for a variety of applications. Continuity Strip Stabox T. Continuity Strip Stabox T is a conductive strip that is used to ensure electrical continuity between the ground and the frame of a building. It is a simple and effective way to ensure electrical safety in a variety of applications, including electrical installations, lightning protection systems, telecommunications systems, and fire alarm systems. Continuity Strip Stabox T is made of copper or aluminum and is typically 10 to 12 mm wide and 1 mm thick. It is a reliable and durable product that can be used in a variety of applications. To use Continuity Strip Stabox T, simply connect it to the ground and to the frame of the building. Make sure that the connection is secure and that the strip is not damaged. Havelock Wool Blown-In Insulation. Havelock Wool Blown-In Insulation is a type of loose-fill insulation made from sheep's wool. It is a sustainable and environmentally friendly insulation material that is also effective at reducing heat loss and improving soundproofing. Havelock Wool Blown-In Insulation is made from 100% pure New Zealand wool. The wool is cleaned, sterilized, and then blown into the walls or attic of a home using a special machine. The wool fills in all the nooks and crannies, creating a tight seal that prevents heat from escaping. Havelock Wool Blown-In Insulation is a good choice for both new construction and renovations. It is easy to install and can be blown into walls, attics, and even crawl spaces. The wool is also non-toxic and fire-resistant, making it a safe and reliable insulation material. Frami Eco. Doka Frami Eco is a modular formwork system that is used for the construction of walls, columns, and beams. It is made of lightweight, recyclable materials and is designed to be easy to assemble and disassemble. Frami Eco is available in a variety of widths and heights, so it can be used to form a wide range of structures. It is also compatible with a variety of other Doka products, such as the Doka Staxo scaffolding system. Frami Eco is a cost-effective and sustainable formwork system that is ideal for a variety of construction projects. YieldLink is a structural steel connection system that is used to connect beams and columns in steel buildings. It is a patented system that is designed to be strong, efficient, and easy to install. YieldLink connections are made up of two main components, the fuse plate and the shear connector. The fuse plate is a thin steel plate that is placed between the beam and the column. The shear connector is a bolt or pin that passes through the fuse plate and connects the beam and the column. When a load is applied to the connection, the fuse plate yields or bends, which absorbs the energy of the load. The shear connector prevents the beam and the column from separating. YieldLink connections are a popular choice for steel buildings because they are strong, efficient, and easy to install. They are also a cost-effective way to connect beams and columns. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.